Kuthiwa nina nenzo Adam abe hero in the story of the fall. Kanjani? Kanjani? Why is Adam a hero in the story of the fall? Because you should be seeing the contrast between the first Adam and the second Adam. So you can't make Adam a hero in the story of the fall. Yes. If you explain it in a sense, yoguti, he thought that he should side with his wife, in a sense that uNkulunkulu wayeseshilo ukuthi odlayo from the forbidden fruit tree uyofa nokufa. So knowing that uNkulunkulu akawaqamba amanga lokho akushilo ikona okuzokwenzeka, he knew that Eve would die. Eve inherited corruption, or let me correct myself, he assumed that Eve had inherited corruption since she ate from the forbidden fruit tree. But here's where the turn of events or the plot twist kule story senu sokuthi Adam is a hero in the story of the fall. uNkulunkulu maye mbuzo ukuthi udleleni ngoba bekushiwo ukuthi angadli. He doesn't take accountability. Contrast, he doesn't take accountability asho isizathu esimenze wadla lesi esewukuthi ubengafuna ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe afe yedwa. Assumption, remember? Abengafuna ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe afe yedwa. So he thought it best ukuthi abavele ba inherite i-corruption bobabili. Instead uthi yilo wesifazane onginikeze yena. There's no accountability there, but a shift of blame. So how is Adam a hero there? Contrast, uJesu, when he comes as a second Adam to undo the damage that had happened or transpired during the tenure of the first Adam, owesifazane owonile ibandla, or rather let me say human creation, but he takes the blame and hangs on the cross. Cursed is he who hangs on the cross, but Jesus took the blame. He hangs on the cross. Who is the hero here between the first Adam and the second Adam? He takes the blame, the second Adam. God unleashes his anger and satisfies his wrath upon the second Adam in the stead of his soon-to-be wife, the church. How is the first Adam a hero? Ngani ngiphendula?